Because I've got some subscribers that wanted to see this area, yeah. So I decided, no, I should come and just pop in and then showcase it.
Yeah.
But now, what I'm seeing around here, I think I don't like it for myself. I mean, it's that dirty there in there. That should be cleaned, I think. Have you ever been in Durban?
I agree.
Yeah, this should be cleaned, I think.
Well, yeah, the thing in general is like all our seas need clean.
Isn't it? You should try Durban. Durban is good as well.
Oh, the sea is much warmer. You can actually go.
Yeah, it's much warmer.
Like, I'm not a real Cape Townian, so I don't go to the sea.
but the thing is, your weather here changes anytime. Like when I came, that was the day before yesterday. It was just like.
This is bad. This year March is bad. Like normally March is way better.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Isn't it? Yeah, but I like it here too. The weather is cool, it's alright. But when it just starts raining, it just starts raining from nowhere, you know, and that thing is something else. Okay, guys.
Yeah, Cape Town is something else.
Yeah, it's something else. It was nice talking to you.
Go to the Cape Winelands.
Where?
The Winelands.
The Wineland.
Yeah, like Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
Much nicer.
Yeah, I should try that. Most probably, I should try that. I also want.
Personal opinion.
That's your opinion. Yeah, I should try that. But Germany looks like it's real cold most of the time. That's what they told me. And when it gets cold, it's crazy.
Er sagt, dass Deutschland die meiste Zeit sehr, sehr kalt wäre und wenn es kalt wird, dann ist es verrückt.
Oh, she doesn't understand English, eh?
No, she does. Most of it. Not every. Like sometimes she's like asking for like what exactly is going on.
So what do I say? How are you in Germany? How are you in Germany?
Wie geht es
Wie
dir?
geht es dir? Oh, and my name is. My name is. It's almost like Afrikaans, eh?
A little bit. It's very similar.
Something like that. It's very similar.
Well,
Somehow.
like Dutch, like has like is like largely like with English and German. So like, and Afrikaans is very similar to Dutch and Flemish and stuff. So like, yeah, that's why like they're all very similar. They derive from like one.
Yeah.
How do you say that? I'm from the Germanic language.
That's amazing, guys. It was amazing meeting you. You have a good day.
You too.
Just enjoy yourselves here
Enjoy,
in South Africa. All right.
Have a good time.
I'll see you around, eh? Ciao. Bye.
Cheers.
Nice talking to these ladies. Yeah, they're amazing, beautiful as well. Right, guys, we are here and we are going to the amazing beach. So I want you to walk with me. The beach is right there. I've never been in this beach, so I'm just as excited as you are. Let's just go and see what this beach looks like and what it can offer us. Wow, this is Cape Town, guys, for you. And I think this is Sea Point. And the weather today, and it's on a Monday. The weather today is quite, I don't know, amazing. It's warm. This is the day for, for the water, sea bathing. So I'm not going to be doing much there. The thing is, I just wanted to show you the beach, what it looks like. So I think along the road, I understand these are the beach hotels. I don't know if they are beach hotels. I'm used to Durban, but alongside the beach, that's where you'll find most of those buildings that you find along the beach are beach hotels and so on. And I think that's the same thing, because if you can check well, they just resemble the Durban beach buildings as well. But let's jump. We'll have a good view when we just cross over the road. Then I'll turn around and try to show you the view of those buildings. Let's just get up there. I hope I'll be able to have a nice view from here. These are the buildings from the side. It's amazing, guys. before I show you the sea, I have to show you this building first of all. Especially this building is beautiful, damn beautiful. And voila, we are here. God, my God, God, my God, look at this amazing place here. And this seals. What's the name of this? I need to ask someone that knows. I want to know the name of this sea. Papa, how are you? Let me ask you something. What's the name of this place?
Pavilion.
What is that?
Pavilion.
Pavilion. Which one is the Sea Point? Is this the Sea Point? This area is Sea Point, ne? Isn't it? I think I'm gonna be enjoying here. So what's your name? Josh. Yeah, Josh, let me just try find you some coins if I can find something. I don't know. Guys, look at those buildings. We are just going to get down there, and then let me just try to find some coins for Josh. Josh, you said Josh, right?
Yeah,
George.
George.
Okay. Yeah, some coins for you, I think. Thanks, Josh. George, I mean, see you around. Let's go see that beautiful place that I've seen. There are seals there, there are beds. Oh, I can't just, and we have to use this other way just to get in there, I think. So come with me. And I think you can also hire a bike here. You can hire a bike and ride. Yeah, that's the box. I don't know how much they are, but the problem is I'm a walk Africa. I do the walking, but sometimes you need to ride because the thing is it only just takes you less time covering a certain distance, you know. What is that I see there? Wow. What is this? That I was watching, I was seeing some. That's the Sea Point. I don't know what I thought is here. I don't know which way we should go. Maybe we should go this way. Give us the opportunity to be seeing more. No, when I was watching somewhere there, I thought maybe I was watching it seals or something like that. But it's only kind of dirty stuff. That stuff there, that's floating. I thought it was how dumb am I? I thought it was seals. I don't know what that is, but we need to find out. Really need to find out. But to find out, you need to walk in there and to ask someone. It's the best thing that we think we can do. Let's go in there. Hi guys.
Hello.
May I pass?
Yeah.
Thank you. How safe are these waters? And what is this? What is this? Is this dirty or what? You have an idea? What is this?
I don't know what is it.
Huh?
And
it's-
she's collecting something. I don't know.
That lady, ne?
She's collecting. More?
She's collecting some stuff.
Oh.
Seashells. And they are kind of smelly. It's dirty. I don't understand. What is this, guys? Hey, you guys, you're watching this video. Can you comment down below and tell me what this is? I think you've been here in let me know what this thing is. And this, what is that?
We use them for some traditional
Or this?
seashells.
Or the seashells?
He means this thing.
But what is this? It's just dirty.
It's just dead. Oh.
But that needs to be cleaned, right? I think.
Yeah, I think so. I think maybe they do that after a while. Or something.
After a while, ne?
Sweet.
Because it's smelly. It's not
Very
smelling right.
smelly.
It's very smelly. Are there seals in there? What is that? What is floating there? Are there seals? What are those?
It's the same waste.
It's the same waste that is floating there, ne?
Yeah.
Damn. I think that needs to be cleaned up. Because there's so much in there. Let me just give you. Hey guys, I'm Walk Africa on YouTube, ne? Just go check me out.
Alright, we'll do that.
Okay, thanks. See you around. At Walk Africa. At Walk _ Africa. Yeah. All right. Guys, I don't know what I'm seeing here. I truly don't know what I'm seeing. Yeah. I need to ask someone who have got some ideas of something. Hi. How are you? I'm good. Now, I would like to ask you something. What's happening with this place? Is this dirty or what? That.
You mean like the algae and stuff?
Oh, so it's algae, eh? What do you call it?
It's
What's the
like
name of that?
It's seaweed.
It's seaweed.
Yeah.
Do you think that the sea needs to be cleaned? What do you think?
All our seas.
Or it's always like this? It's okay as it is.
No, all
What do you
our
think?
seas need to be cleaned.
Needs to be cleaned, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. I'm Walk Africa on YouTube, right?
You what?
Proper introduction. Walk Africa on YouTube. Walk.
Walk Africa.
Yeah, on YouTube. Are you from South Africa?
I'm from Stellenbosch, but we're both
Stel-
German, but I live in Stellenbosch.
Isn't it? So you're visiting here in South Africa.
We're
That's
visiting Cape Town for the moment, yeah.
Cape Town. When did you come here?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing.
Yeah, big city, eh?
Yeah, it
I
is.
prefer Stellenbosch.
Stellenbosch is it in Turkey? Am I
No,
right?
it's in the winelands.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it's like half an hour from here.
Half an hour from here.
Yeah.
The two of you, you're living some places. Or
She's visiting you from Germany. Oh, wow.
oh, you from the. Damn, I think I should visit that country. But it's close. It's cold there, eh?
It can be. Don't go in winter. Go in summer. Yes.
So when is your winter?
Opposite to the southern hemisphere.
To the southern hemisphere, isn't it?
Yep.
Of which it's not winter now. It's almost winter, or you're after winter, right?
No, they're going towards summer. We're going towards winter.
Isn't it?
Yeah, in Germany they're going towards summer. We're going towards winter.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
A Joburg.
Have you been in Joburg before?
Yeah, my parents lived in Joburg.
They live there,
They lived there. Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
That's
but,
amazing. Where about in Joburg?
border from like Parktown North, Craighall Park.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, depends on like who you ask.
Yeah, exactly. You're right. You're
Yeah.
right. So how are you enjoying? Are you enjoying? Are you good? How do you see this? How do you see
We're in
this
the
place?
Western Cape. The Western Cape is the most beautiful part of South Africa.
Yeah,
Come on.
exactly. Exactly. That's amazing. What's your names? Your name? Francie. And
Helena,
I'm Walk Africa.
what's your real name?
My real name is Ken.
Ken.
Ken, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Now my YouTube guys, they now know that I'm Ken. They've never heard my name before.
Oh, are you like
Oh,
live?
I'm gonna edit it.
Are you like live or what?
And they just, yeah, I'm like live. I'm just showing this area. I just came specifically for this. So I don't know what to think of this sea here. But to me, it's looking like that needs to be cleaned. You see that? I don't know. So it's actually not. It's not a beach area where people could swim. I don't know. When I came here, someone just, that lady just directed me here, and I decided no, I should just give it a good a good look. But anyway, guys, it's okay just to see the beach. It's not about like getting in the sea and having a bath. Look at those girls taking pics at these rocks here. Isn't it amazing? It's proper. Hey, so there is these are the times that you see there is a big waves. You can see water everywhere here, isn't it? It's even wet here.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. So it's never about taking a sea bath here. Where are the beaches here? The real beach that you can take a
That side.
that side.
Yeah.
It's far away from here. Is it a walk away distance?
No, because you must take a taxi. It means it's far.
Isn't it? What's the name of that beach? Do you have an idea? You don't know.
We haven't
And
been there. We've just been given the direction.
you're also given the direction, eh? That if you wanna like, because you can see those that bus is coming from that side. I think yeah. There is a street over there, ne? Then I take a taxi and going there. But now I should know where am I going to drop, you know? I should know the name to the beach, and that's it, ne? I have to go there. I have to find out what's going on there. Girls, it was nice having you around. I'll see you. Bye. This algae. What do you mean? Guys, I'm hunting a beach, the real beach. So that's what we're gonna do. We are in a hunt for the real beach where we can swim if I have to swim, but I don't think I'm gonna be swimming. I'll just watch people swimming. Guys, this is a beautiful place. After all, but this needs to be cleaned. I don't know. It's just my assumptions. So let's get out of here. This is beautiful, guys. Damn beautiful. Let's get out of here. And we are gonna be in search of a real beach where the people are swimming. Right? Look at those buildings up there. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing, amazing, super amazing, super amazing. All right, guys, so I think I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.